Hi everyone, it's Mia here. Today I'm in Taiwan, on the hunt for some awesome seeds to bring home. I'll show you how to shop for seeds here, what to ask for, and some cool local plant picks. Arriving at the seed plant shop. Hello, ni hao, ni hao. I'm looking for seeds. Would you mind if I browse your selection? Ni yu zhang zi ma, ni yu zhang zi ma. Do you have seeds? Ask. Na xie ji wu zhang zi zui shou huan ying? Nixi zi wu zhang zi zui shou wanying? Which plant seeds are most popular? Wo ke yi pai jiao ma? Wo ki pai jiao ma? Can I take a photo for your video? Choosing seeds. Wo shi huan jai gi, kai fu shu, money tree de zhang zi, qing wen jie yu ma? I like the money tree seeds, do you have those? If available. Qing gao su wo jie zhang zi zhen mi zhang plus jiao gu. Please tell me how to plant and care for these seeds. Yang guang, shui liang yao duo shao, yang guang, shu liang yao duo shao, yao shi nei, shi wai zhang, yao shiny, shi wai zhang. If you want other local favorites, Hai yu Taiwan ren chong zhang de ji wu ma, Hai yu Taiwan ren chong zhang de zi wu ma. Any other plants that Taiwanese commonly grow? Buying and tips. Qing gai wo x bao zhang zi. Qing gai wo x bao zhang zi. Ask. Jie xie zhang zi bao zhuang shang yu riqi ma? Zhexi zhang zi bao zhuang shang yu riki ma? Does the seed packet have a date? Wo ke yi yang xin yang ka ma? Wo ki yang xin yang ka ma? For your vlog. Get some footage of seeds, some of the shop, maybe the local gardener advice. Xie xie ni. Xiexi ni. Thank you. On camera to audience. Alright folks, I'm all set with these awesome Taiwan seeds. I'll take them home, show you how I'm going to sow them, and we'll track their growth together. Stay tuned. CTA. If you liked this seed shopping adventure, hit like, subscribe, and comment on what seeds you'd love me to grow next.